The 2013 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, HomeLink garage door opener, side airbag, rear defroster, power locks, power windows, fog lights, passenger airbag, leather seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.